today we are going to be making a loading screen, a basic one, without any moving letters. So what we are going to do is we're going to insert a screen GUI into starter GUI, and we're going to call it loading screen. And now we would want to go ahead and insert a frame into the loading screen. And what we want to do is we want to put the size, so the size is going to be 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0. So now it's going to be on the full screen. So we could keep the position right there on 0, and we're going to go and set the border pixels to 0, and you can customize it as much as you want. So for this one, I'm just gonna do a 0.5 background transparency. I'm gonna set the color to like maybe a reddish color, like this. Again, guys, you could set it to any color you want. I'm gonna do it in red, and we are gonna insert a text label into this frame. So text label, and for that text label, we want to put the anchor point, which is right here, to 0.5 comma 0.5. Oh, okay. So anchor point 0.5 comma 0.5. So that should put it right there. And now we want to go ahead and put the size to where is the size? Okay, so the size is gonna stay the same. Now we want to change the position, so we're gonna do 0.5 comma 0 comma 0.5 comma 0. I should put it in the middle. We're gonna go ahead and remove the background. Well, we're gonna remove the background. We're also gonna remove the pixel border, and then you could set the font to anything you want. I'm gonna go with Gotham Bold. Go ahead and select text label, text scaled, which is gonna enlarge the text, and then I'm just gonna put loading ... So now we've created the loading screen frame. So what we are going to do now is we're going to go to replicated first and insert a local script. And in that local script, since when we join, we see a normal default like loading screen, we want to go ahead and remove that. So what we are going to do in the local script is clear the print hello world, and we are going to type game.replicated first. These two dots, I don't know the name of them, but remove default loading screen. So now if we do join, we might see it for a second, and then it's gonna be gone. So once we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and take the loading screen, and we're gonna drop into replicated first in the local script. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the local script, and we're gonna skip line, and then do local player GUI equals game dot players dot local player, those two dots, wait for child, well, those little, I don't know, just click 9, and then it should bring up these, symbols, brackets, whatever, and then we're gonna do quotation marks, player, GUI, then we're gonna, go to the next line and do player, GUI, those two dots, set top, bar, transparency, 0, skip a line, then we're gonna do local GUI equals, oops, I messed up, local GUI, god, local GUI equals script dot loading screen, and then we're gonna do the two dots and then clone. Let's get to line number 7, and then do GUI dot parent equals player GUI, skip a line, wait, those brackets, and then 5, skip a line, and then we're gonna do GUI dot frame tween position, oops, I misspelled position, bracket, close bracket, UD mi2 dot new, and then open bracket, close bracket, well, open bracket, and then 0, comma, 0, comma, 1, comma, 0, close bracket, comma, quotation marks, in, out, and then comma, and quotation, press space, and then do quotation marks again, and then in the quotation marks we're gonna write sin, comma, go out of the quotation marks, and then do comma 0.5, and then go to the next line and do wait, open bracket, 0.5, close bracket. And then for the last part, we're going to do GUI dot destroy, open bracket, close bracket. So what should happen now is after we join, we should see this, and then after the game loads, the GUI should leave the screen. So let me do this again. I'm gonna hit play. The game's gonna load, join, and then we'll see the loading screen. After the game loads, it will go away, and if we go into players, player GUI, we shouldn't see it, but if we go ahead and reload, it should disappear. Or it shouldn't appear if I reload my character. So, yeah, there we go. It went away. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to know when I post videos and streams. So, yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.